If you want to make a video wallpaper on iPhone 17e, then in that case we can get a live wallpaper on the lock screen on our iPhone 17e. Unfortunately, we cannot set an animated wallpaper or live wallpaper or a video wallpaper on the home screen. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to get some sort of like a video or something. This can also be, of course, a live wallpaper that you already have, and then you can try to use it. In this case, I have this live wallpaper. You can see, of course, here in the upper left corner that this is indeed a live wallpaper. Unfortunately, this one seems to be not compatible with the with the wallpaper system that we have over here on iPhone. If I try to use this live wallpaper, then as you can see here, the motion is deactivated and I cannot really turn it on for some reason. I guess it's just not compatible, unfortunately. Or if you have like a video, of course, then you can try to convert it into the live wallpaper. So for that reason, we're gonna go to the App Store, and over here we can search for something that allows us to convert a video to live or fix the live wallpaper so that it actually so that the app can actually make it work with the lock screen. And of course we can type something like video to live, for example, or live wallpaper. There we go. And as you can see, there are many different apps that we can try to use, and you should actually go ahead and try any of them to see which one works for you the best. In my case, I'm gonna use this one over here. This one is called video to live wallpaper, so I'm gonna get this one. By the way, if you already have a live photo, I actually recommend you to switch it to the video, so you want to save it as a video before you move on. Now, once we open here, we have a couple of options, like for example, video to images or live photo to video, and so on and so forth. But of course, we are interested in video and live photo. We're gonna go ahead over here, tap on consent. We can tap on ask app not to track. And of course, we need to grant the access to our photo library so that we can pick a video that we want to convert. I'm gonna select this one, and then we can tap on the next in the upper right corner. We have the introduction of these all of these features that we have available in here, so we should be able to proceed. Alright, so once our video is ready, by the way, if your video is longer than 3 seconds, you will have to cut it out. Only 3 seconds can be used at most. Once you set everything up, then we should be able to tap on make in the upper right corner, and we're gonna choose live photo iOS 17 Plus. There might be an ad in the meantime, so we need to wait for it to be done. And then once it is complete, we should see a message that the live photo has been created and saved to our album. So afterwards, we're gonna go to settings. We want to proceed to the wallpaper, and then over here we're gonna create a new wallpaper. Of course, we want to go to photos, and you should be able to pick your live photo that has been generated with the app. Of course, the motion might be deactivated, but we should be able to turn it on quite easily. And then we can press add in the upper right corner, and we can set the wallpaper pair, for example. And there we go. Now if we go to the lock screen, you will see that we have an animated live wallpaper. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.